Welcome back, family. Let me get on this side so you guys can see me more. I'm going to try to get this diesel heater started so we can get some breakfast. This is my handy little box that I made. We're going to go over it a little bit more. Well, by the way, welcome back. For you guys just tuning in for the first time, I'm Ricky from Smalls RV Adventures, and I camp around the entire United States in my RV, SUV, and tent, and I make customizable DIY solar generators. Welcome to the channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Now that we got that out of the way, I'm going to hook up my diesel heater using this DIY AC-DC adapter I created. After I created it, I did see it on Amazon. So I'm not the first one to patent this. I just thought of it and made it, and it worked. So I thought, maybe this should be something I could patent. And like I said, I saw it on Amazon. Somebody thought of it before me. Really easy to do. So you see, I just plug it in here, plug it into my solar generator, lights on. Now let's see if my remote still works with the diesel heater. I'll be right back because I don't know if it works. And yes, it did work. So that was pretty amazing. We're going to wait for this thing to kick on, but I'll give you a closer look at this generator. So it does heat up really fast in here. So what I'm doing is that I'm getting my stove ready because I'm going to make me something to eat. The wife is going to eat as well. But if you didn't know, there's a huge storm coming. And it's supposed to be in here by tomorrow morning. Forecast calls for over a foot of snow. But we're totally prepared for it. This tent, long as you keep it nice and warm, the snow just melts right off. And I have a tarp that I put on top just to keep the snow out. So we'll be well prepared for the snowstorm that's coming. I'm about to close off this tarp because of, well, not the tarp, the tent, because the snow is barreling in inside. And I don't want to get my portable power station wet, although it's totally capable of handling the water. It's not water resistant or waterproof, but it works really well. So I'm going to give you a closer look. So this is the updated version of the battery box. I showed it last time. This time I added a battery monitor and a way to charge it. This is the NOCO plug I was telling you guys about. Inside is a NOCO battery charger, and I charge it through a wall outlet or shore power down there. What else did I put on here? I also included a solar input that's here, right here. That's a DC 5mm 2.5 jack. That's a female ending. You just plug the solar panel into there and it works. It's pretty cool. But I really like the way that this machine came out. It's really nice. So let's start cooking. All right, we're going to try this again. Now I can hear that gas. Boom, we have fire. Yes, we can finally warm up. Thank you. Thank you. It's warm in here. It ain't gonna be anything special. I'm just gonna be throwing stuff on there, cooking. Got my bowl, got my spread. A lot of people don't like this type of spread, but when it's all you have, you're gonna use all you have. So I'm gonna use it. And I left my coffee over there. I'm in here with my wife. She doesn't want to be on camera. So you'll hear her talking some of the bits. I think that's a little bit too much I put in there. Woo. All right. This is enough here. Yeah, you're going to give me my coffee? I'll take my coffee. You can reach it? Oh, look at that. You didn't even have to give up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I should have filmed us making the coffee. I didn't think of it. Mac is in here too, by the way. He's down on the floor. He's enjoying this heat coming up. Again, we have the diesel heater. I don't know if you guys can hear it blowing, or that may be the stove that's blowing like that. But I'm gonna cook this up really fast. It's not gonna be much to it. How's you guys' New Year coming along? Let me know if you guys got any New Year's resolutions, anything that you want to do. You know, I'm gonna start going back to the gym, you know, because I was going to the gym a lot and then things started to happen and wasn't able to go to the gym as much as I wanted to. But I'm gonna start going back to the gym at least 3 or 4 times out of the week. You want 1 egg or 2 eggs? 1 egg. So we're gonna cook a little bit something. Camping is sort of like you're poor. You make it work with what you have. I don't know how that's gonna work. That egg went all the way over in the corner there. I think I forgot my spatula too. But that's all right. We'll make it work. I don't know how we're gonna make it work, but we're gonna make it work. I tell you that right now. That egg is going all over the place too. We're not level. But yeah, I was going to the gym. Then I stopped. So I'm gonna start that up again. We're gonna spend some more time vacationing, traveling, having fun. You know, I got some things in the works where my work hours may change. I don't talk too much about work. Maybe in the future, pretty soon, you know, I'll go into more of what I do and how I earn money. But I usually don't go too much into that. I know a lot of people. I should have just scrambled these eggs. It would have came out a lot easier. Can you just scramble it here? I'm just gonna scramble these eggs. I was gonna do it another way, but the fire is not going to allow me to do it the way that I wanted to do it. So I'm just gonna scramble them. Having them fried, it's a lot easier. But yeah, a lot of people that follow me on social media, not just on this platform, you'll get glimpses of what I do, how I earn my income. There's a lot of us on here with the same type of employment, but I just don't talk about it much. But I also earn income through this platform by producing these videos. It's not much, puts food on the table, but it's a way to earn income. Just showing a way of life, showing that you can eat and enjoy life the same way in a tent, in a car, SUV, RV, the same as if you were in another type of sticks and bricks environment. So let me see what else I have in here. I think we have some bacon too. So we're gonna enjoy some bacon and eggs while we camping in here. Bacon, 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 bacon. The dog is looking. He loves bacon. We give him these bacon dog treats, and he loves them to death. We're gonna start off with about 4 slices of this bacon here. And I know people are gonna say, "Oh, bacon's not healthy." That's not healthy. I know. Everything you eat is not healthy. I tell you that right now. Everything you eat that you put in your body is probably not good for you. I'll be the first to tell you that. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. What other YouTube channels you guys watch? Let me know. I watch a lot of other YouTube. I watch more YouTube than regular TV. Ow, I just burnt my finger. I watch a lot of other different channels as well as this one. Can't remember the names right off the bat, but I watch a lot of people. I watch Happily Ever Hanks. I watch Black Pearl, Living My Best Life by Benjamin. I watch Winter is Blue. I watch Ryan Twomey, Nomadic Introvert, Nomadic Sarah. I watch a lot of things. And a lot of the times when content creators, they don't know what to blog about or vlog, you can get your information from other channels. Just makes it a lot easier that way. We all do around the same things. You know, you're cooking. We eat every day. We eat all types of food, fruits, vegetables, shakes, whatever you want, we eat. Just like everyone in the sticks and bricks. But it seems like a lot of people are amazed when they find out, yes, I'm cooking with these. I left my spatula and the other camping setup. Here we go. That's looking good. Leave this right over here for a second. Huh? Drop it back. My wife telling me to drop it back. We're going to smoke this tent up. Those animals are going to come in here. They'll be like, oh, I smell that. That's smelling good in there. But we do have bears around here. But they don't come next to you. They don't come into this area. I don't know why. You may see one, but you're not gonna see them a lot come into this area. All right, these bacon bits are cooking fast. You realize how fast they cook. Do have some cheese in here. So we're gonna flip this really fast because these little brochure buns, they cook really fast. And I do have another product to show you. I showed you guys in the last video. It was a portable oven by Forchens, but we're gonna show that again. Let me turn this fire off. Let me get these sandwiches ready and I'll be right back to you. Here it is, folks. Bacon, egg, and cheese and a tent. All in. All right, the food is done. I have my cappuccino. That diesel heater nearly right away took the chill out of this tent. It's 18 degrees outside. But you wouldn't believe it if you was inside this tent. That usually tells you how this diesel heater works. And with this hack, it cut right on the first time. A lot of people in a lot of Facebook groups, they were telling me to get a regular battery, get a real battery. Made me laugh so much because no matter what I tried, it didn't work. Maybe if you connect this right directly to the battery, a 12 volt, 100 amp hour, whatever battery you have, maybe it'll work. But most of us are not going to do that. We're going to have a battery system, you know, showing the technology that we know, that we can use other things where we can have plug sockets, we can have USB outlets, we can recharge by solar. Oh, woo. So we're going to have all of those things. So having this hack is very useful. Very good. In a diesel heater, it only uses a lot of power when the glow plug is heating up. Once the glow plug is heating up, it's using very low wattage. So even with a 100 amp hour battery or a 1,000 watt portable power station, you can use this for days. You may get 2 or 3 days out of it. We're about to get a big snowstorm. It's supposed to be 1 foot, high elevations 2 foot. So you'll not be able to get out of your house. But we'll see. These never get old. These type of breakfast sandwiches. Been eating these for years. But I'm gonna start showing you guys some of the more healthy things that we eat. I don't want to keep showing like some of the things that I make with the videos. Oh, this is really good. And these tasty things are really tasty. Hey, Mac, you want some? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go. Can't beat that. All right, let me show you guys. Yeah, Matt, get that. I dropped that on the floor. Yeah, that's for you. Let me show you guys this 24-volt portable oven by Forchens. Gotta open up my box to get it. This is the Forchens 24-volt portable oven. I showed you one before, and that one was the DC 12-volt. This one is able to be plugged in to a wall outlet. So it works a little bit better, I'm assuming. I have another one that plugs into a wall outlet, and I believe they work the same. Again, you open up your bag. Remember to take out the user manual. You don't want to cook that up. This portion here, the plug, you can strip it right through the back. Like there's a section here in the back. You can put that through so that it comes out the other side. And that's what you want. I'll leave this up here. And then here, this is your plate. You're just gonna plug in the adapter to the Fortune. Once you have it plugged in, you just pull this through. There you go. It's very nice, very simple. And there you go. You have your heater hooked up. Now all you have to do is plug it in. Now, this is some of the food I was telling you about, a little more healthy. It's right out of the fridge. It's cold. You can just leave it outside because it's so cold outside. But that's just broccoli. What's that? It's not potatoes. Water chestnuts, little rice, and corned beef. and you slip that on, slip it into your Forchens oven. Remember, this thing is just coming out of the box, so it's going to be, you have to adjust the zipper a little bit. It's just coming out of the box, right out of the factory, brand new. You close this off, and then let's show you how we plug it in. So to plug it in, we're just going to take the power cord that's supplied with it. You plug it right into your outlet. And then to turn on the Forchens 24-volt stove, you press this in. You're going to see the light illuminate. And you turn it up to the desired temperature. I usually turn it all the way up to 230 degrees. Once you turn it all the way up, you give your food some time, and you're going to see the temperature regulator. You're going to see how it's going to go up. Right now it's at 41. You're going to see it go all the way up to 230. So I'm going to show you how hot the food gets. All right, right now it's at its highest temperature. Let's check to see what the food looks like. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, it's hot. I can feel the heat coming out of there. So it's hot. I can feel it. You can see the steam coming out. I don't know if it's coming out in the camera, but you can see the steam coming out of there. So this is the Forchens portable oven, 24-volt. Also comes in the 12-volt form. Check them out. So again, we have all this powered by our DIY solar generator. We have everything plugged in to the 12-volt and 120-volt sockets. Again, this is the Forchens 24-volt portable oven. Comes with a wall outlet, and we plugged it into our battery box, which works. Our battery is still full. I don't know if you can read it down there. Just at 13.0. Then it went up to, it went down, but if you're looking at the monitor, still at 100, the battery. Go back down there again so you can see it says 13.0. That's when the oven is pulling. That's all I got for you this week. I hope this video wasn't too long. I have to make up the bed, by the way. I didn't make it up. I just came in and started cooking right away. We're going to get ready with our day. This battery will last you for days, and we can recharge it by solar or by a generator or by another portable power station. So it's really cool. So thank you guys for sticking along with us. If you want to have more contact with us, you can follow us on Instagram, TikTok, X, formerly known as Twitter. We also on Facebook groups, the Smalls RV Adventures. We on Overlander and Tent and Truck Camping. So you can follow us that way too, where you'll have more in-depth knowledge of where we're going to be. You can ask us questions, ask us anywhere, anything that you want to know about us, you can DM us. So that's a lot of different ways where you can have more contact with us, the Smalls RV Adventures. A lot of people in the Facebook groups, they know more about me, more about our family, not just the camping aspect. So it's more of it to us. Also, we have a Smalls RV Adventure shop where you can get yourself some nice gear, sweaters, cups, hats, anything that you need. This wind is blowing. So check us out on there. Also, if you like some of the gear that we use, you can check out our Amazon storefront. There's going to be links for all of these products on our Amazon storefront, including this Forchens 24-volt portable oven. Also comes in a DC form as well. So check us out for that so you can get yourself one of these ovens. That's all I got for you this week. See you later, everybody. Got to shut down this diesel heater. Remember, when you're shutting down these diesel heaters, you got to cut the power off, and you have to let it go through its normal functioning before you unplug it. The fan and everything will cool the system down. Then you can put it away for storage.